Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to replace the shift knob off of your BMW E90, E92, or E93. So as you can see, my shift knob is peeling a little bit here from the chrome portion. You can get a cover to cover this up, but honestly for the same amount of money you do that, you're already spending like 20-25 bucks. I'm just going to go ahead and go with the new facelifted shift knob. There's nothing per se wrong with the shift knob, but honestly it's really bland and looks very boring. So right here guys, I have a new package. You know what that means? New package means new parts. So in here I have the facelifted shift knob that fits the BMW E90s and etc. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get it unwrapped now. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's so satisfying opening up new packages, and here we go. Ready? Ready? Bam. There it is, boys and girls. All right, here has this little magnet. Boom, it is inside of here. So the one I got is from IJDM Toy, and this is probably the highest review one that there is out there. IJDM Toy makes basically a lot of aftermarket parts and lighting systems, etc. for basically every car out there. They're a really good aftermarket brand. I'm not sure about the warranty on this, but it was the highest reviewed one, and I got it for a pretty good price point. And you can see on the inside it's going to come with the adapters, and these adapters are basically going to plug into this new shift knob, and from there it's going to plug into the existing adapter on your car. And yeah, it's basically like a converter. Ooh. Oh, that looks sweet. So I went with the carbon fiber one, guys, and y'all can see, I mean, that looks sick. It's glossy. I mean, jeez, that's like real carbon fiber almost. And the back side is a smooth leather material. No blemishes, nothing. So right here, these LEDs are supposed to light up according to basically whatever gear you're in. So it'll actually light up with reverse, neutral, drive, and all your sport modes. Instead of grabbing it from the back like you would on the stock shift knob, you're going to grab it on the side to actually shift the gear. So you can see. Before we even touch this or get this installed, we're going to go ahead and remove this old shift knob. And to remove it, it's actually very, very simple. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. So basically, we're going to go ahead and grab it from the sides and just pull up with a lot of force. Be careful not to smack yourself or smack your mirror up top. And with basically consistent pressure, you're just going to pull it up just like that. This is the little shift boot. You have to remove this because all the wiring bundles are under here. And basically, to plug in all the little adapters, yeah, you got to remove this. Bam. Just like that. And I have like a manual looking cover rather than a little automatic one. So I have all this little shift, indicator down there tucked away. But yeah, guys, now that that's removed, we can actually go ahead and start installing the new one. First thing you want to go ahead and do is basically this little indicator thing. You want to go ahead and unplug this just for now. The energy going to this is what's going to power the new shift knobs indicators. So you're gonna have a connector going to it. You're just gonna pull that off. It goes down to this white connector, and you're gonna be unplugging that white connector. Remove it just like that. So make sure you hold on to this bottom part. You don't want it going back inside the console. All right, guys, and these cables are actually gonna be labeled. You can see it has a little A on it, and this one, if my camera will catch it, has a little B on it. And yeah, so you're gonna basically go ahead and open up the little QR code that is inside of there, and it's going to pull up a little instruction manual on how to do this. We're going to start connecting. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is the white connector down there is going to plug into the B. So B being this one, it's going to plug into this back side right here, and we're going to plug that into the white one. So you can see that the white is going onto the white. And you're basically going to go through and match all the wiring colors. So you can see brown, red, orange, yellow, and right here, if you see closely, brown, red, orange, yellow. So you're going to go ahead and put them accordingly. I'm just going to insert just like that. And what I was trying to explain, guys, see how brown, red, orange, yellow on the back side, brown, red, orange, yellow in order. Don't force them in. This should slide in just nice and firmly. Now we're going to go ahead and get this connection right here with the gray, green, purple, etc. Gray to the right. And you're going to grab your little linkage here, and that's going to slide in. Remember, you don't want to force it. If you feel it not going in, it's probably because it's not going in. Just like that. So that's going to connect with the gray wire on the right, smooth part on the bottom, tab on the top. You want to remember that. All right, guys, so now we're going to go ahead and get this little wiring bundle right here, the red, orange, yellow, and brown one. And this is actually going to plug into this portion right here. So I'm just tuck it in there. But yeah, guys, we're going to go ahead and plug that in. From here, you should have your wiring bundle with the gray, black, green, purple, and blue. And that is going to plug into this blue portion right here. And you can see the little hooks right here on the outside. They're going to fit into the hooks right here. So, just like that. And like, you want to find the little sweet spot. You don't want to force it in because these pins are super sensitive and will break on you. And bam. Just like that. Now, we have a mess right here, but we will sort it out here in a minute. We're just going to basically make sure everything works. All right, so now from here, we're basically going to try to tuck away a majority of these cables and etc. Doesn't have to be perfect, but we're basically trying to tuck a majority of this all away. I'm going to keep the cover on my new shift knob, but you're going to get your shift boot and basically feed the cable through. And then from here, you just want to match up the correlating cables. So we have our blue, green, gray, and purple one on the top. And we have the same ones right here. And yeah, we're basically just going to connect them. I have the blue on the outside. I have the brown on the inside. And now we're going to connect those. And now y'all can see it has power to it. So again, I'm just slip this back on so don't scratch this up. Make sure none of it's interfering with any of the shift linkage. You're going to want to shimmy it on and try to get this cover on. See if it goes on actually first. And then from here, you're going to grab this and just carefully push it back down. And now it should be in place. You can see it's lit up and it's indicated it's good. That means that everything's in place in terms of the lighting. And so now we're basically just going to go ahead and put the key in the ignition. What that's going to do is it's going to unlock the mechanism. And then you're basically going to press it in and go through all of your gears. And make sure that none of the adapters or any of the cables in here are going to get in the way while you're shifting. You don't want to break anything. But yeah, guys, like I say, it feels a lot better in the hand. But yeah, guys, just go through all your gears, make sure they're all good. So besides that, guys, it's good to go. Well, guys, it looks infinitely better than the old one. You can see it matches all the carbon fiber trim inside of here, and it just looks really freaking good. It's high, glossy, feels good in the hand. Honestly, updates the whole look of the interior, makes it look a lot more modern as opposed to this old dingy thing. And these aren't too bad, but I mean, chrome just with the rest of it, and just all in all, looks very outdated, guys. That is definitely the way to go. Well, guys, that is how you install the F30 style shift knob in your BMW E90, etc. And honestly, guys, it looks way freaking better just by looking at the interior of the car, especially with my new steering wheel. It looks way better, and it feels a lot better in the hand. The locking mechanism seems to be pretty good, and yeah, honestly worth it, guys. If y'all found this video helpful, go ahead and drop a thumbs up. I'll leave a link down below where you can purchase your own shift knob just like this. And yeah, if you're running any issues, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video. Peace.